Maalik Murphy, excellent. Excellent showing. You had to get a little bit nervous when he missed the first week of spring. The foot again. Why is this keep being a problem? Is this going to be a problem for a long time with this guy with how big he is? Is he going to be able to get the reps he needs to progress because he was so raw coming out of high school? But he was great. He showed a lot of comfort going through reads. He knew how to place the ball in the deep throws. In some ways, he's honestly appears a little more natural in the Mac Jones style Sark offense than Quinn Ewers himself is. You have to be pumped as a Texas fan that this guy looks like he could be a very viable backup at the very least. And maybe if Ewers stumbles or if he just gets hurt, you might have a guy that could push him, replace him.